we're back on YouTube. So, the Bronco the other day wouldn't start, and it's because of the starter. So, don't worry, man. We will get it started up again today. I bought the starter, and let's have fun. So, these are some simple tools that you'll need, just, you know, your wrench, your sockets, and an extension, because you'll have to get in there pretty deep. Of course, you need your starter. And let's not forget the bolt that came off the old one. The starter is located on the passenger side behind the front wheel. So if we go underneath the front wheel, alright y'all, so it is down here. It's right next to the plug for the oil to drain. So if you look, if you're on the bottom, you look to the left, it is right there. You'll see these weird wacky wires coming out, and it's this thing right here. Bolt number one we have to take out is right there, where it's pointing at. Bolt number two is right there. And then all these wires that we have to disconnect. Alrighty, so we took out the starter, and it's right here. Look at that lovely hunk of machinery. It's really rusted and whatnot, so probably stop by O'Reilly's or AutoZone and get a new one.
Because the drugs never work, they gonna give you a smirk, cause they got methods to keep you.
How can I help?
You can't help me. Are you gonna get free rolling shots?
Yeah.
Alright, we're leaving.
So I got a starter from O'Reilly's, and this works for any, you know, F150, F250, F350 pickup, so I'm going to teach y'all how to do it.